I had to go take cover with my dog in the closet and just wait it out and pray for the best.
Continuing coverage, people living in a Juneau apartment destroyed by a tornado find out what they thought was renter's insurance will not be paying.
One of the tenant's daughters reached out to us to explain what was happening. Nick and Phoenix live in the same building and say they are now left with nothing.
It comes on a day a sixth tornado was confirmed at the touchdown in Dodge County. Rebecca Clough went up there to survey that damage for herself.
This is what is left of the Juneau apartments where Nick Gaugert rode out the tornado. The windows blown in, the roof gone, and he survived hiding in that closet.
I've heard anything quite like that.
Devastation is all that is left behind for the people in the Juneau apartments.
Do you have anything?
My life, my clothing, and my blankets is about all I have.
Nick Gaugert couldn't even bear to come back to his apartment where his damaged car and all his belongings still sit.
Look at the piece of glass literally stuck in the wall.
His neighbor, Phoenix Marshall, has temporarily left the state to be with her extended family. We talked to her over Zoom. She rode out the storm on the other side of the wall from Nick, also in her closet.
And I ended up just stayed on the phone with my grandma the whole time, and she's talking to me and we're praying, and then it started flooding into my closet.
Even though Nick and Phoenix lost all their belongings, both believed they would be made whole because they thought they had renter's insurance. Nick and Phoenix say they bought the same policy from a company their apartment building recommended, but both just learned their insurance claims were denied.
It's like, oh, well, you're not covered for anything. And I'm like, okay, cool.
The reason for the denial letter, tornadoes were not covered, only tenant negligence.
You would think a natural disaster is covered.
I called the insurance company to ask why.
I'm calling to see why your company denied the insurance claims for the renters who were hit by the tornado.
The company sent me an email response. It says it did not sell the tenants renter's insurance, but rather a waiver program. That program only covers accidental damage caused by a tenant, like fire, smoke, or water damage, and protects the tenant from a lawsuit by their landlord.
I would not take any automatic insurance policy that is automatically included in your rent. Always seek out your own.
I also reached out to their apartment company. They said they had no comment on the situation.
Two of the tenants that I spoke to say their belongings are going to be covered because they had different rental insurance. In Juneau, Rebecca Clough, TMJ4 News.